Today is a very special day. It is Sophie's first day at school.
I feel excited, but I feel a little nervous too.
Good morning, Sophie. Today will be a wonderful day.
What if I cannot make friends?
You are kind. You will be fine.
Are you ready for school?
I think so.
Don't worry, school is fun.
Have a great day.
Believe in yourself.
Thank you. The school looks big.
Yes, but you will like it.
I hope so.
Sophie arrived at school.
Wow, so many students.
Welcome, Sophie.
Thank you. I am happy to be here.
Please introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sophie. I am 10 years old. Nice to meet you. Can I be your friend? Yes, of course. My name is Emma. Nice to meet
Good job, everyone.
School is fun. Yes, it is. What is your favorite food? I know. I like sandwiches.
Me too.
This is so much fun. Let's play together. Okay.
The school day is over.
I had a great day.
How was your day?
It was amazing. I was nervous in the morning, but now I love school.
We are proud of you. Every new beginning becomes a beautiful memory.